Hi guys, happy Thursday. Today is September 24th. Please ignore my son playing video games in the background. He's very loud. Today you're going to be taking something called the FAST test. This is a test for me to see your reading level. It is not a test for you to have a grade on, but everybody has to complete it. So I want you to take a moment and think about a time when you took a test and you tried your best on it. What motivated you or what made you do well on that test? Today you're going to take the FAST test, and below you will find out how to do it and why you should try your best. Okay, let's go back to that. First of all, what is the FAST test? Well, the FAST test is a test that all St. Paul Public School 9th graders are taking this year. So at Como High School, at Washington High School, at Highland High School, at Leap High School, at Owl High School, at Harding High School, and at Johnson High School, every 9th grade kid is taking this test. Some of you already took a test like this in middle school. Some of you did not. Here are some things to know about it. It's quick. That's why they call it FAST. The purpose of the test is for us to know what level you are reading at. There are 2 parts. Each part takes 30 minutes to complete. The first section is 30 questions long. If you answer questions right, then the next question will get harder. If you answer a question wrong, the next question will get easier. You will need to hear some of the questions, so make sure you are in a quiet place and have headphones. You're going to take this same test in the winter and in the spring, 3 times a year. It is not graded, so you don't get a grade for it, but it helps us to know where your reading level is. Okay? So, here's how you take the test. Here's how you get to the test. You're going to go onto your iPad, push in your password, and you're going to look for something that has the FAST icon. It looks like a little guy in this big circle. We call that a magnifying glass. You're going to click on that. It's going to ask you to enter your student number and your password. If you don't remember what that is, you're going to ask me. Send me an email if you don't have that information. Then you're going to click on something called Fast Track Reading. For 9th graders, there are going to be 2 tests. The Fast Track will have students go from one test right into the other. So you're going to take 2 tests today. If you want to take them separate, click on More Tests and find A Reading and Auto Reading. Those are the 2 kinds of tests you'll take. You should just take both of them today. Then you're going to click on this green arrow. After you click on the test, you click on this green arrow. Remember, you can listen to the directions on your iPad. Check your volume and make sure you can use headphones and make sure you can hear it, that the volume's all the way up. Answer every question until it says you're done. If you get an error message, click back on the home button down here and then click back onto the FAST icon up here. You might have to swipe up to close other apps on your iPad for it to work. When you finish this test, I will know you're done because I can look up your score, but I would also like you to answer this question. After finishing both the A reading and auto reading parts of the test, what was one thing either easy or difficult about taking the test at home? So what was easy about taking it at home? What was difficult about taking it at home? All right, I will be here for Google Meet if you have any questions while you're working on this today. Otherwise, good luck, try your best, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys.